Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the exposing the ports in the Docker. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. What is Docker expose port? The expose keyword in the Docker file tells the Docker that the container listens for a traffic on the specified port. So the container running on a web browser, you might add this in your Docker file, expose 80. So here I'm adding in the Node.js project, expose 4000. Okay, when you run a container, by default, its network is isolated from the host system. If your application inside the container listens on a specified port, you need to expose that port to host machine to access the services. Like suppose my Node.js port is 4000. So where I need to access the services on the 4000 port, I need to expose that one, right? So let's move to the next one, Docker run with the port mapping. You can choose the expose container ports or to the host using the -p or publish option with the Docker run command. For example, Docker run -p port this my web app. This map ports the 80 inside the container to port 8080 on the host. What is Docker expose port with the example? So currently this is Node.js project. Okay, so those who haven't watched my previous video, just go and watch, then you come to know about this process. Okay, after this I need to run my Node.js project on the 4000. Okay, so currently port mapping during the container run. So how we can do that? Docker run -p 4000. This is my Node.js expose port, and this is our container. So this is already mentioned, the command docker run -p 3000 or 4000 3000 my Node.js app is used to run a Docker container based on the my Node.js image. So this is basically the image name, right? So you have to add the image name and the map the port with the 3000 from the container to the port 3000 the host machine. So here you can see that I will explain much cleaner on this note. Docker run, this Docker run command is used to create and start the Docker container for an image. -p 3000, this option specifies the port mapping. It tells the Docker to map the port 3000 on the host machine to the port 3000 on the container. The syntax is -p host port. This is the host port I want to host the service, and this is container port. This is container port, right? And this port is made accessible to the host machine at the port 3000 as well. Okay, so when this command is executed, the Docker does the following: pulls the my Node.js app image if it is not already present on the local machine, creates a new container instance based on that image, maps the port to the host from the host machine to the port 3000 in the container. Okay, so first one is host and second one is container port. Starts the container running the Node.js application within it, and you can access by running this command in the browser by this. After running this command, you can access the Node.js application by visiting this URL. So here currently by here I am adding the expose 4000, right? And here you can see that sudo docker run -v 4000 3000 my node app with this version, and here you can see it is running on the 4000 port. So it's not 3000, it's to be 4000. So here you can see that let me go and just if I, because here you can see in the app.js I haven't changed the port over here. Okay, just here in my Docker file I have exposed the port. Okay, so the port here it is running on the 4000. Let me check you how. Open the link. It's not working because my current working is on 4000. So here you can see it is working like this. Okay, so whenever you want to expose the port, if you want to run on a different port, then you can manage like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are going to learn much more on the Docker in this series. So please be with me and don't skip any kind of videos on that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.